O.G.duelist back again. So I got these Ancient Guardians from Target. I got them on the day that they announced they weren't going to sell trading cards like Pokemon and all that. But when I went there, they actually had restocked everything, which was interesting. I'm not sure if they were just trying to push everything out because they're not going to sell them anymore, or mine is still going to sell them. I really don't know. I'm going to go back probably in like a week. But you know, in my Ghost from the Past #2, which you can watch up there by clicking up there, we can I said I was going to pick these up if I found them, and I did. So here they are. Got, I don't know, 2, 4, 6, I think 15 of them. So I'm just going to open these up and let's see what I get. I know you can get a collector's rare, a bunch of collector's rares from here, and I want to see if I can get one. So 15, a little more than half a box. Of course, I didn't take all of them. You know, you got to give people a chance to pick some up as well. I'm not a scalper. I'm really trying to do this. So, okay. Alright, let's see. I don't know who these people are. We're going to find out. Light Serpent. Ignite Reload. Offering to the Snake Deity. Sulfur Musica. Zohan the Odiatic Boundless. Eurostatic Quint Charge. Solso Frecard Gracia. It's like almost like my last name. He's good. Ooh. The smell on these is really strong. Okay. King of the Feral Imps. I'd like a shout out to Feral Imp. Evil Dragon Anata. Viper's Rebirth. Let's say Venomin, the King of Poisonous Snakes. Eurostatic Megatanus. Gundam, he's a Gundam. Dino, what does that say? Power the Mighty Draco Slayer. Dinoster. That's a cool card. Ogdo Abyss, the Odiatic Overlords. Put these. Cool to pull a collector's rare. Trade-in, that's a cool card. Ayer's Rock Sunrise. Evil Dragon Anata again. Resulfur Core Dreamia. They got some crazy ass names. Sulfur Cord Scale. Damage equals Reptile. That's a cool card. Sulfur Cord Kuchia. Eurostatic Quint Charge. Zohan the Odiatic Boundless again. Pot of Riches. I love pot cards. I love pot. Sulfur Cord Formal. Eurostatic Megatinus. Ignite Reload. And Sulfur Cord Elegance. So are they like singers or... I don't know. Venomous, the King of Poisonous Snakes again. Ayer's Senrock. Man, blisters do not give you a variety. Sulfur Cord Musica again. Trade in. Me Sulfur Cord Elesia. Do Sulfur Cord Kutsia. Kucha. try this one. Okay, King of Feral Imps again. Sulfur Musica. Trade in. Sulfur Alicia. I'm saying all these wrong for sure. Snake's Reign. That's a funny card. And Light Serpent. Your Ecstatic Mictinus, the Teddy Bear Gundam. How many do I have each? So 2, 2, 2, 3. Luster Pendulum, the Draco Slayer. Odiatic Origin. Long name, Jaster Paladin. The Ascending Draco Slayer. Alicia again. Quint Charge. Zoha the Odiatic Boundless. And Aleritit the Odiatic Dark. That's a cool. Aleritit. It's 2 T's, you gotta say them both. Pot of Riches. Sulfur Formal. Your Static Megatonus. Skip a card. Oops. Ignite Reload. King of Poisonous Snakes again. Odiatic Hollow. Nunu. The Odiatic Remnant. Who do you think comes up with these names? Nunu. Odiatic Hollow. I've been saying these wrong. Ogdoiak. Viper Rebirth. Sulfur Musica. Skullmeister. Rise of the Snake Deity. Light Serpent. And T-Sulfur Butia. Okay, let's do her one more time, and then I'm gonna go boom boom. Now I really wasn't gonna pick this up, but it was there, so. Snake Reign. Ogdoiak. Can someone spell this out for me? Like phonetically spell it out in the comments, please. I feel like an idiot. Odiatic Calling. Luster Pendulum Draco Slayer. Odiatic Origin. Master Pendulum the Ascending Draco Slayer. Sulfur Alicia. Your Static Mictinus. Let's go this one. I haven't opened one of these yet. Sulfur Chord Scale. Evil Dragon Anata. Master Pendulum the Ascending Draco Slayer. Extra Prominence the Blasting Draco Slayer. Odiatic Hollow. Dude with the long name that I already said. And your Static McPolar. Why is this different from this? There's no silver lining right here, but the silver lining is extra long on the bottom. Should I not open this? Because it's like a package misprint. I don't think I'm gonna save this. You think that's gonna be worth something? Package misprint? Yeah, let's save this. Let's do this. And then that's the one with the collector's rare. Flogos, the Odiatic Boundless. Zoha, The O.G.duelist Boundless. Alright. The Brothers. Sulfur Cord Formal. Pot of Riches. Your Static Megatinus. Dino Wrestler. Pank Raptors. Sulfur Cord Angelia. Open her. Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer, Sulfur Cord Formal. I'll give that. Wavering Eyes, Sulfur Cord Alicia, King of the Farolymps, your Static McBillis. Okay, last pack besides, the misprint pack. It's kind of cool how it goes all the way up here and that's how they cut it off. I don't really like the silver. Okay, anyways. Ignister Prominence, Trade-In, O.G.duelist. There is no variety. And it's a little different. Water Lily. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah. Should I do a giveaway with this? Let me know. It's a misprint pack. It's extra long with the silver on the bottom and then cut off on the top right here. You think that the cards are... No, I don't feel ridges. There's no ridges. But look at this pack. I'm gonna keep it. Might be worth something later on. I don't know. Could there be a collector's rare in here? We're never gonna find out. Alright. Thank you for watching another O.G.duelist pack opening.